Once upon a time, in a quiet countryside, there lived a humble farmer named Henry and his kind wife, Clara. Though their farm was small and their life simple, they were happy and content with what they had. But one summer, the weather turned unbearably hot and dry. The crops withered, and soon even their last hen died. Henry stood beside his nearly empty field and sighed. "We won't have much to sell at the market this year. Winter will be tough." Clara bit her lip, worry filling her eyes. "I hope we'll manage somehow," she whispered. At the market, Henry sold his few remaining vegetables for only a handful of coins. By the time he reached home, he was tired and troubled. "This money won't last us long," he thought sadly. Just then, he heard a strange sound. Honk! Honk! Startled, Henry followed the noise to the empty chicken coop. To his surprise, inside stood a large white goose. "Where on earth did you come from?" Henry asked softly. Then something caught his eye. In the nest lay a gleaming golden egg. He picked it up, his hands trembling. "Clara!" he shouted, running inside. "Clara, look! We're saved!" Clara stared at the shiny egg in disbelief. "Is that real gold?" she gasped. Henry nodded, grinning from ear to ear. "With this, we can buy food and firewood for the whole winter." The next morning, to their astonishment, the goose laid another golden egg. Henry's excitement grew. "If she keeps laying like this," he said eagerly, "we'll be rich. We can build a big new house and buy fine clothes." Clara smiled gently. "Oh, Henry," she said, "we don't need all that. These 2 eggs are more than enough for us. Let's be thankful." But that night, Henry couldn't sleep. He lay awake, staring at the ceiling, his mind filled with golden dreams. "What if there are more eggs inside the goose?" he thought greedily. "If I get them all at once, we'll never have to work again." Quietly, he slipped out of bed and went to the coop. The goose was sleeping peacefully. Henry reached out carefully. Suddenly, honk! Honk! The startled goose bit Henry's arm hard and flapped its wings wildly. "Ouch!" Henry yelped. The goose chased him around the yard, honking furiously. Henry tripped and fell face first into the dirt. When he looked up, he saw the goose flying away into the night sky. Clara ran outside in alarm. "Henry!" What happened? Ashamed, Henry told her everything, his head hung low. "The goose could have helped us for years," he said softly. "But my greed ruined it." Clara sighed sadly. "Oh, Henry," she said, "good things never last when we let greed take over." And from that day on, Henry learned that greed always steals more than it gives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.